Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal. So in today's video, I will be teaching you about the differences between aquí, acá, allí, allá, ahí. So all of these mean different things in Spanish, where it's here or there. However, they all look very similar, so it can get quite confusing. So today I will show you a quick skit which demonstrates how these are used differently in a real life situation, and then I will be going into the lesson where I explicitly teach you the differences between aquí, acá, and then allí, allá, y ahí. So if you want to learn, keep on watching. Ahora el perro está aquí conmigo, pero ahora se va y está acá, ¿ok? Muy cerca, pero no está aquí, acá. Erika, ¿dónde está el perro? Ah, está allá en la sofá. ¿Eh? ¿Dónde? Está allí. Erika, ¿dónde está Otto? Ah, está allí en el jardín. Alright, so now that you've seen the skit, let's jump into the lesson. So first tenemos aquí y acá. So aquí and acá both mean here. However, acá means here in general, whereas aquí means right here next to me. So an example, un ejemplo. So I can say el móvil está aquí. Okay? El móvil está aquí. It's right in my hand. Let's imagine now that I'm in a store and I'm looking around and everything seems very expensive. I might want to say, todo es muy caro acá. So everything here in general in the store is expensive. So I would use acá because I'm not talking about here right next to me. I'm talking about here in the store in general. Make sense? All right. Let's move on to allí, allá, y ahí. So allá means there, but close to the speaker. Allí means over there, but far from the speaker and the listener. So let's say in a whole different room or a whole different area. Allí means there, but it replaces a predetermined place. So, for example, let's say you lost your keys and you can say, ¿Dónde están? And I will say, están allá. So they're there, like right over here. I can see them. So they're over there. However, if I say allí, so están allí en la cocina, I might be referring to, oh, they're like way over there in another room. And if I say allí, so you said, ¿dónde están mis llaves? I can say, están allí en la cocina. And then you can say, no, ya busqué ahí. You can say, no, I already looked there. They're not there. Okay, so in this case, they're replaced la cocina. All right? Okay, let's go into another example. So I'm asking about my phone. So I have speaker A and speaker B. So, ¿dónde está mi móvil? Where is my phone? Está allá en la sofa. So I'm looking at it should be there on the sofa. No, no está ahí. Ya busqué. So no, it's not there. I already looked. So the reason why we're using ahí is again because it's replacing the words la sofa. So it's replacing the predetermined place. Okay? Then quizás allí en la cocina entonces. So, oh, maybe like way over there in the kitchen then. Okay, so in this situation, then allí is referring to the kitchen, which should be far away from both me and the person I'm speaking to. All right, so now that you understand the differences, let's get into some practice. Entonces, traduce las frases. So what I want you to do is to translate the following words or phrases into Spanish using the 5 different words we just discussed. So the first one, we have my pencil is here, so right next to me. So you need to find which one would work best. So aquí, acá, allí, allá, o ahí. Then we have is my book over there. So is my book like over there, like far away from me, kind of, or far away from both of us. Then we have the table is here, so but in that general area. So which one of these ones do I use for here but in general? Then we have if someone's asking you, ¿tus llaves están en la mesa? So are your keys on the table? Then you can say, no, they aren't there. So you need to find the one that replaces a predetermined place, which would be la mesa. Then we have, ¿dónde está el perro? So someone's asking, where's the dog? And you want to say, oh, he's right there. Like he's there, but he's pretty close where I can see him. Okay? So you don't want to use the one that's super far away. You want to use the one that's closer to the speaker. Sounds good? So pause the video, and then we'll go over the answers. All right. Ahora las respuestas. So we have my pencil is here, right next to me. That's where we use aquí. So mi lápiz está aquí. Is my book over there? So like far away. We can say, ¿está mi libro allí? So is my book over there? The table is here in this general area. Would be la mesa está acá. Tus llaves están en la mesa. You can say, no están ahí. So again, ahí is used to replace la mesa. Then we have, ¿dónde está el perro? El perro está allá. So he's over there where I can see him. Okay? Entonces, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that you learned something. Please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Y nos vemos en el próximo. Adiós.